chief guest of today's ceremony, the Information and Broadcasting Minister of Government of India, Shri Prakash Javadekar. Ladies and gentlemen,
The Prasar Bharati family is glad to receive his guidance on various issues. With his support, we are sure that for the Information and Broadcasting Ministry, अच्छे दिन जरूर आएंगे. I mean, happy days are on the anvil.
अच्छे दिन आ गए हैं.
yo!
अच्छे दिन आ गए हैं.
Javed Motagi, my team from Prasar Bharati and Doordarshan, Mr. Jawar Sarkar, Mr. Chavda, Mukesh Sharma, the MIT team led by Vishwanath Karad and Sunil Karad, sponsors, the participants, players, engineers, and the crowd, enthusiastic crowd which is here to cheer the players, I welcome you all. It's a unique event. It's about youth, it's about technology, it's about skill, it's about sports, it's about robots, and so we are very excited to see how you perform, and I'll definitely be with you as much time as possible because I want to also participate and learn from here. The theme of today's conclave is parenthood. It is so important. आप सबने 3 इडियट्स देखा होगा और 3 इडियट्स में वो इंजीनियर है, उसको वाइल्ड फोटोग्राफी करनी है. तब वो पिताजी कहते हैं कि भाई आप अगर बीच में पढ़ाई छोड़ोगे और आपकी पैशन को फॉलो करोगे तो वो अंकल क्या कहेंगे, दूसरे लोग क्या कहेंगे. तब वो कहता है कि दूसरे क्या कहेंगे उसका मुझे चिंता नहीं, आप क्या कहोगे उसकी मुझे चिंता है. दैट इज पेरेंटहुड. आज हम सब यहां हैं, इतना बड़ा अवसर है. More than 17 countries from all over the world are participating. Parents have a role in our career building. And therefore the theme is also very important. But today my only appeal to you is, why India after 64 years of independence is still not catching up with the top of the world? Why can't we be a developed world? We have become emerging economy. But the only thing which is lacking in India is innovation. And I believe that with the new aspirations of the people and the youth's dominant role in the country and the spread of education, we will walk the path of innovation very effectively to take our country to the top spot in the global committee. हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हमेशा इनोवेशन पे जोर देते हैं. He has appealed from the Red Fort rampart on 15th August that I appeal to the youth. We are the power of technology. We are known as software power, but we have not become the hardware hub. We must become the manufacturing hub. We have developed so many softwares, but we have not come out with Google. We have not come out with Facebook. We have not come out with WhatsApp. We have not come out with iPad, iPhones. New technologies is what the challenging thing is. And please remember, our electronic import is second to our oil import bill. We must make out and we must walk on the path of innovation. And therefore, he has given a very significant slogan for the nation's youth. Come join, innovate, make in India. That make in India is the thing. And he has appealed that make in India and sail with pride to the world as made in India. That is our logo, that is our motto. So we will go ahead with this. Now we are all eager to see actually how you demonstrate. And therefore, I declare this 13th Robocon Pune 2014 event as open. Thank you very much and all the best.